Good evening, children. Children, in our previous class, we learned about the International Place Value System or International Numbering System. Okay. Today, in our class, we will learn how to write a number in words by the International Place Value System. See children, two examples are there. Means two numbers are there. We have to write these numbers in words by the International Place Value chart. Okay. For that, what we have to do first? Start from your right side. Write all the digits in their respective houses or respective places. Okay. Start from the right side. The first digit is 4. So write 4 in ones place. Then 1. Write 1 in tens place. Then 7. Write 7 in hundreds place. Then 3. Write 3 in thousands place. Then 2. Write 2 in 10,000s place. Then 5. Write 5 in 100,000s place. Then 3. Write 3 in millions place. Then 9. Write 9 in 10 millions place. 10 millions place. Then 6. Write 6 in 100 millions place. Okay. Now say children, we have to write this number in words. How? See, from your start from your left side. The first digit is 6. Okay, 6 belongs to 100 millions place. 9 belongs to 10 millions place. 3 belongs to millions place. So 600. Write 600 in words. $600. 9 and 3 togetherly makes 93. Right? 93. Then what to write? Write the period. Million. 600. 9 and 3 togetherly makes 93. 93. Then million. Write the period. Million. Okay, complete. Then go to thousands period. 5 belongs to 100,000s place. 2 belongs to 10,000s place. 3 belongs to thousands place. So 500. 500. Write in words. 500. 2 and 3 togetherly makes 23. 23. Then write the period. 1000. 523,000. Complete. Then go to ones period. 700. 1 and 4 togetherly makes 14. Okay. Now go to the second example. Write all the digits of this number in their respective places. Start from the right side. Write 2 in ones place. Write 9 in tens place. 2. Write 2 in hundreds place. 3. Write 3 in thousands place. 5. Write 5 in 10,000s place. 1. Write 1 in 100,000s place. 7. Write 7 in millions place. 2. Write 2 in 10 millions place. 1 in 100 millions place. Again 1. Write in billions place. 9. Write 9 in 10 billions place. Okay. Now write this number in words. How? See children, in billions period, in 100 billions place, no digit is there. Okay. So leave the place. That is 0, 100, nothing. 9 and 1 togetherly makes 91. 9 1 togetherly makes 91. 91, write in words. 91. Okay, 91. Then write the period. Billion. 91 billion. Complete. Then go to millions period. Okay. Then go to millions period. 1 belongs to 100 millions place. 2 belongs to 10 millions place. 7 belongs to millions place. Okay. So write 1 H for 100. 100. 2 and 7 togetherly makes 27. 27. Then write the period. Million. Okay. $127 million. Complete. Then go to thousands period. 100 5 and 3 togetherly makes 53. 53. 153. Write the period. 1000. Complete. Now go to ones period. 200. Write in words. 200. 9 and 2 togetherly makes 92. 92. Practice well, children. Thank you.